Hi guys, just back here with another video. So now at this point you've actually downloaded your Helo Smart App, okay? So what you wanted to do, you want to search it on your phone and you want to bring it to your home page. It's really important to have it on the home page, you can always find it, okay? So when you click on the app, okay? And it's going to say you put in your email address that you've literally, the same email address that you used to register with the In-Persona app, okay? Click continue. Okay, so send out an invite code there. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my email address, and that's to verify your email address. So let me just pop into my email address there. You can see it just sent me an invitation code there. So just give me a second there now. And there we go. So it's 728301. The fact I'm recording, I can't really copy and paste that. So I'm just going to do it manually. But normally you'd be able to copy and paste that. So what was that? 728, wasn't it? 728. 301. So 301. Okay, so that's going to bring me into the app now. Just give it a second there to populate. So what it's asking me to do there, stop optimizing battery usage. Helo Smart will be able to run in the background. So we click allow. Okay, and you just follow these little prompts, okay? Tap next to the device to connect to the Helo, okay? Notify that access, please enable notifications. You click OK. Okay, so it's taking me into enable notifications. So we just enable notifications on the Smart App, your Helo Smart App here. You click enable, allow. Okay. And then we'll go back into the app. Notification access, band watch can receive push notifications. And that's giving you instructions in relation to that. Okay. Now the next thing that you want to do is depend on which device you purchased. Okay, whether you got the BioSense Health Band, whether you got the Health Scale, which we'll talk about in detail at another stage. But I got the Life Watch. We'll click on this. Now you can see it's found my device here already. So I click connect. So you can see the app is now connecting to that. So we'll just give it a second, let it do its thing. Well done, your device is now connected. So next in the device tab, set your personal guardian. So this is for somebody who wants to set up like different type of things. You can see it here, it's telling me click here to set up reminders. So let's do that. Okay, so smart reminders. Okay, do I want Skype? No, I don't want Skype, don't use it anymore. I don't really want my emails coming in there. Messenger, no, because I get too many of those. Caller ID, yes. Message remind, yes. And text message notify. Yeah, so you can play around with these guys, okay? So then I'll go back out of that. And then next thing, if you wanted to set up the guardian, if it was an elderly person or a vulnerable person that was using the device, you can set up these different things here, okay? It's not something I'm going to go into now at this stage, okay? And we'll just go back over there, okay? So I'll just move this out of the way. Okay, next thing I want to do, QR codes, smart reminders, alarm schedule, a little reminders, let's click on those. So I'll change that to, let me do it when I'm recording. Every day, we'll just leave that as it is. So we'll click here and then we'll click here. I'll change that to 24 hours. And obviously you want to put that down to 12, because if you put that down to 12, then that means it's operating all the time. Okay, so I've got that set. Okay, then you scroll up down here. Now, another thing you're going to have to do there, okay, it usually prompts you to do this. So next thing you're going to do there is you want to set up your blood pressure calibration. Okay, so I have it already in there. So what I'm going to do is just recalibrate. Okay, so I'm going to put in, I done it there. You usually would use a monitor. Okay, so I used a monitor there recently and it was coming up at this here. So that's what I'm going to use to calibrate it. Okay. Have I ever taken these prescription drugs? No, I don't take those guys. Thank God. So click complete it. Now it's actually asking me now to do a blood test on my actual device. I'm not going to actually do that because I'm in the middle of doing a video, okay? Which arm am I wearing it on? I'm wearing it on my left arm, okay? Screen time, I usually put that up to 60. Okay, click save. Left arm, right, okay. Units of measurement, I usually change that to metric. Now, usually here, firmware upgrade. Okay, I've obviously got all the firmware upgrades. Otherwise it's going to pop up and ask you to do a firmware upgrade. That's just a software upgrade, okay? So I don't have to worry about that because I already have all that kind of stuff. You can see my device is connected up here. My battery's at 51%. I'd recommend charging your phone or charging your charging your device and getting that set up to 100%. Okay. Now in the next video, we'll talk about how you set everything up. Okay, so I'll just go on here. Are you ready to capture some health data? Click continue. Now it's showing you here, drop down. This is how you synchronize. So go like this. Okay. And you can see it just on an update there for me. Okay. Okay, and then you can click in here to see the different modules. So see if we click in here and we can see all this kind of stuff. But I'm not going to cover this all today, guys, okay? Because basically this is just to get your device set up and going normally, okay? So you can see all your different things in there, okay? Let me see. Say we just go down the blood pressure one or ECG for now. Okay, I've obviously done one earlier on. I'll click on that. And this is the unique thing about our ECG. We can actually click on details or report, and we can print that off and take it directly to our doctor. Okay, so just play around with the app, guys. We'll go into more details at another stage in relation to how to do that. I hope this helped, and I will see you on the next video.